Tap into Infinite Power Part 1 of a 3-part series. Hey, Scott Haug here, and in today's video, we're going to be going through a process, Part 1 of 3, that if you follow it, recognize it, and become aware of it, you can start actually using your manifestation power to acquire all of your desires and manifest the results you are looking for. Again, this is Part 1 of a 3-part series. You're going to want to watch Part 1 and 2 and 3 back to back to back each day to allow yourself to tap into the infinite source of power that you are a part of. Before we jump into the training of Part 1 of the series today, throw a like on the video, because as you do so, it's going to send out to a lot more people in this world, and together we can raise the consciousness of this planet. Also click subscribe and then click the bell icon as well, so you're notified when we send out other great manifestation how-to methods, content, meditations, as this is your go-to channel for everything you're ever going to need around manifestation. So let's get into the training. Today's training is going to be on a whiteboard. I'm going to actually be filling you in on a lot of things visually in front of you. And tapping into this infinite power, again, is tapping into who you were truly born to be, an extension of who you really are, the universe itself. And as you do so, the promised result is you're going to start to get in a lot more flow. You're going to generate greater results and greater manifestations. Let's go ahead and transfer right over to the whiteboard right now, and let's get started with Part 1 of the training. We are like the bucket of water, an extension of what already is, that infinite source, but we're an extension of it. Now, to kind of go into a secondary spot of this bucket, if we took that bucket of water and we didn't nurture it, meaning we didn't put a little more ocean water in it, keep it in a cool place so maybe it didn't evaporate as much, and we left it outside for months and it dried up. Is the ocean water still there? Yes, we could see the remnants of the salt and the debris within there. Okay, we could see that ocean water was in there, but we dried it up. That's what happens when we are an extension of source still, but we've put up a barrier, we've put up a blockage to allow ourselves not to have the energy come to and through us. It's rough, it's hard, it's turned off, if you will. Okay, so we are an extension of this source, infinite power. Here's where it really answers your question, Amy. Thought is the connecting link between the source, infinite power, and us as physical human beings in this physical world. Thought is the connecting link